Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, introduce. My name is Chidamayanti. My student ID number is 4414190002. And I'm from is Chemistry Education Class B. And I'm from is the Department of Chemistry, Chemical Education Study Program and Gorontalo State University. I'm from is Group 4. Here I will present Module 5 with the little synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. The next is objective is synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide and qualitative test. Literature review. Hydrogen peroxide is commonly used chemical compound with the formula in pure liquid form. It has a distinct pale blue color, however in a mixture with slightly sharp odor. The next is material and tools. Beaker glass, Erlenmeyer oven, measuring cup, spatula, thermometer, watch glass, filter, and funnel. And material is urea hydrogen peroxide, aqueous manganese oxide. The next is experimental work scheme. The first is synthesis hydrogen peroxide. A star measuring 30% H2O2 solution by 3.4 ml and insert into Erlenmeyer 10 ml. Weighing urea solids as much 1.2 grams and applying into Erlenmeyer containing a solution of H2O2 later stir until the urea solids. Fill a 250 ml chemical glass with glass watch 150 ml of tap water and heat to 60 degrees Celsius using an handle water and dipping Erlenmeyer containing a 30% H2O2 solution urea solids into a chemical glass heated about water heated until the solution becomes clear. Move the solution on the watch glass so that the solvent can be compound slowly until there is a crystal shape and synthesis urea crystal. The next is qualitative analysis. UHP crystal synthesis. Weighing synthesis crystal yield of 0.1 grams and insert it into the test tube. Dissolve synthetic crystal with 2 ml aqueous. Add a little MnO2 solid to the test tube. Observing 0.2 gas bubbles forming, 0.2 gas bubbles are formed and the finish. The next is result and discussion. The first is treatment. Method 1. Synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide. Weighing the solids urea in Patrick measure 7.5 of the H2O2 solution and pat. Beaker filled with 100 ml of tap water. A petri dish containing a mixture of urea H2O2 is placed on a beaker filled with water. In aerosol, urea weighing 0.8 grams shaped with crystalline solid, boiling water and neatly shaped crystal. And the second is method 2, qualitative analysis. Weighing 0.1 grams of synthesis, 250 crystal at pot, it and a test tube. Add 3 ml of water the test tube and add half a spatula of MnO2 into the tube. The result is as much as 0.1 grams and produce bubble. Solution is gray, there is a black precipitate. The next is discussion. Urea is a single organic compound composite to the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. In this practicum synthesis urea hydrogen peroxide, the analysis UHP crystal format qualitative. The first step to weigh to 0.8 grams urea and put in a petri dish, then take 7.5 ml of 3% H2O2 solution. The next step is to add 100 ml of aqueous in glass beaker to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. After the aqueous boils, 5 ml of 3% H2O2 is heated by placing in a heater so that the solution evaporation and can form crystal. The next is UHP crystal has advantage over H2O and the synthesis of UHP crystal. The mass of UHP crystal is of 0.64 grams. The crystal obtained are clear in the form of fluids. Then qualitative test. In the qualitative test, the UHP synthesis crystal besides was measured and then weighing 0.1 grams. Put into the test tube. Add 2 ml of distilled water until dissolved and clear, so as produce a few bubbles. Furthermore, solid MnO2 black was added in the percentage of gas bubbles. The decomposition of H2O2, the solution in the test tube is gray black in color, and there are bubbles of 2 gas, and there is a black participant. Conclusion is experiments have been carried out on the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide and qualitative analysis of the result in the synthesis of UHP. In the synthesis of urea hydrogen peroxide, it produced with a thread-like needle-shaped crystal and a crystal mass of 0.60 grams. The qualitative analysis of the result of the UHP synthesis result in a grayish-black solution. There were bubbles, and this was the black precipitate. That's a video from me. Hope it's useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.